Hello and welcome friends to this session of Zoico Garage. Continue our look at the interior refresh of the WRX. First thing we're going to want to do is pop out this old trim here with this simulated carbon fiber. We're going to take our trim removal tool, get it started underneath the edge, pry out. Now this next clip, which is right here, it's a little stubborn. You gotta really kind of give it some oomph, and it will come flying out for you. Alright, cool. Moving on to the passenger side. It's a lot easier to release. And grab your trim removal tool. Might be best to start on this outside edge. Just get it under there. That's all there is to that. Cool, now we're ready to install our new trim pieces. Let's go check them out. Here are JDM dash trim pieces, piano black with the silver accent. They're a bit bigger in size than the stock trim pieces. You'll see once they're in the car. Never really cared for the simulated carbon fiber trim that comes stock. A lot of other people don't really care for it. I think OLM makes a replacement overlay, which looks pretty good. It's always out of stock though. And I think there's a couple different options for this trim set too. One thing you'll want to keep in mind if you're ordering from some sites from Japan, some JDM sites, make sure that you're getting left-hand drive parts, because you may end up with the right-hand version of said trim, which won't work for you. And on the insides of these, I don't know if you see it, it does indicate left and right-handed, but they do have you could end up with right-hand drive trim parts if you're not careful. So just keep that in mind if you're ordering from a JDM site. Subi Speed and those guys won't make those products available. Not sure which Subaru these were actually meant for, but they fit fine in the WRX and STI. So let's slam them in. Now here we are on the driver's side inside the car again. And we've got our driver's side trim piece. And this is real easy. Just line up the tabs. And snap into place. Now moving to the passenger side, see if I can do this with one hand. Again, line up the tabs. And push. Nice. Oh, I like the way that flows. And that does it for this session of Zoico Garage. Quick and easy. Thanks for watching.